Have you ever asked yourself, why try again at all? You gave it your best and it still did not succeed. You prayed, you believed, and yet the door slammed shut. Maybe you have failed once, or twice, or more time than you can count. You wonder, what is the point in trying again? But what if I told you success is neither permanent nor is failure final, and that your best is still ahead of you? You must keep moving forward. We often judge life by victories and defeats, highs and lows. But the Bible offers a better point of view, a kingdom perspective. Proverbs 24:16 says, though the righteous fall 7 times, they rise again. The Bible does not promise an easy life, but it does assure us that God will be with us through it all. Philippians 3:13-14 says, but one thing I do, forgetting what is behind and straining toward what is ahead, I press on towards the goal. God is not asking perfection. He is seeking people who will not give up. That is the key. Get up again. Rise up once more. Keep moving forward. Let me tell you about Thomas Edison. He failed more than 1,000 times while trying to invent the light bulb. When asked about experiencing frequent failure, he replied, I have not failed. I have just discovered 1,000 ways that did not work. Had he given up, we might still be in the dark. What if your breakthrough is just beyond your next attempt? Let us examine how God incorporated this keep moving principle into everything around us. When planted, the bamboo tree does not break ground for 5 years. 5 years. But during that time, it develops a deep root system. Then, it can grow 90 feet in just 6 weeks. Just because you do not see progress, it does not mean that God is not working. Take a caterpillar. It must struggle within the cocoon. If you assist it prematurely, its wings will not develop. The struggle is what prepares it to take flight. Rockets experience the most pressure just before takeoff. It is the resistance that propels them into orbit. Walt Disney was dismissed for what? A lack of knowledge, lack of imagination. His first studio collapsed, but he kept pressing on. Now his name is synonymous with creativity and a legacy. All creation reflects a single truth. Growth demands movement, even following a failure. The Bible is filled with examples of those who had to move forward after a failure. David messed up big time, but was still called a man after God's own heart. Joseph was betrayed, enslaved, and even put into prison, but he rose up to become a prime minister. Moses ran away from Egypt after killing a man, yet returned to lead Israel out of bondage. They did not allow failure to define them. Instead, they allowed God to refine them. Perhaps you have failed. Perhaps you have succeeded but feel stuck. Perhaps you are afraid to try again. But here is your word today. Keep moving forward. Galatians 6:9 says, let us not grow weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. Your best is not behind you. It is ahead of you. Keep moving forward and God will meet you on your journey. Comment below, I am moving forward. Like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Let us conclude with a prayer. Lord, when I feel stuck or defeated, remind me that you are not finished. Teach me to trust, to act, and to believe. I believe that the best you have for me is still ahead. In Jesus' mighty name we have prayed. Amen. Keep moving forward. Your story is not yet over. Amen.